Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python for Loop Factorial Tutorial. Introduction. In Python, a factorial is the product of all positive integers up to a given number. For example, the factorial of 5 is 5 * 4 * 3 * 2 * 1, which equals 120. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to calculate the factorial of a number using a for loop in Python. Step 1. Understanding factorial. Before diving into the code, let's understand the concept of factorial. The factorial of a non-negative integer n is denoted as n. N is the product of all positive integers up to n. Mathematically, it is defined as follows. N equals n times n1 times n2 times 2 times 1. Step 2. Using a for loop to calculate factorial. Now, let's implement a Python program that calculates the factorial of a given number using a for loop. Explanation. Step 3. Run the program. Save the code to a Python file, example factorial_calculator.py, and run it. Enter a non-negative integer when prompted, and the program will calculate and display the factorial. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have learned how to calculate the factorial of a number using a for loop in Python. This is a fundamental concept in programming and can be applied in various mathematical and computational scenarios. ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to calculate the factorial of a number using a for loop in Python. The factorial of a non-negative integer n, denoted as n, is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. For example, 5 is equal to 5x 4x 3x 2x 1 equals 120. We can use a for loop to iteratively multiply the numbers from 1 to n to calculate the factorial. Let's create a Python script to demonstrate this. Factorial _with _for _loop function. User input. Input validation. Display result. Feel free to experiment with different inputs and explore how the for loop efficiently calculates factorials in Python. ChatGPT.